For decades, it sat in silence, a phantom of its former self cloaked in dust and memories. A slow pan reveals a forgotten corner of the garage, where time has stood still. Under a tattered gray cover rests the ghost of a legend, its iconic shape barely discernible. With a slow, deliberate motion, a craftsman's hand reaches out, pulling back the fabric. The light catches on faded paint and pitted chrome, revealing the dilapidated state of a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. A close-up shows a face etched with resolve, a quiet promise made to the machine before him. This isn't an ending, it's the beginning of a resurrection. The silence is about to be broken. The deconstruction begins, a careful and reverent process. In a flurry of sped-up motion, the Mustang is methodically unmade, each part a piece of a mechanical puzzle. Time-lapse captures the dance of tools and hands as the car is stripped down to its very soul. We zoom in on the stubborn resistance of a rusted bolt, a testament to years of neglect, finally yielding to patient force. The heart of the beast, the mighty engine, is carefully unseated from its cradle and lifted, suspended in the air like a captured titan. Inside, the worn and torn interior is stripped away, revealing the car's raw skeletal frame. Every piece is cataloged, every memory preserved, as the Mustang is reduced to its essential truth before it can be reborn. It is a necessary destruction, paving the way for a glorious revival. Now, the true revival takes shape. A symphony of fire, metal, and meticulous effort. A montage of transformation begins with a powerful blast, as sand scours the car's body, stripping away layers of old paint and rust down to the gleaming bare metal. It's a clean slate, a fresh canvas. In a shower of brilliant orange sparks, a welder's torch stitches new life into a corroded panel, mending the wounds of time with surgical precision. The engine block, once caked in grime, is meticulously cleaned, each component polished and rebuilt with an artisan's touch until it gleams like new. In the sterile, bright environment of a professional spray booth, a primer coat lays the foundation before the final act of artistry. A deep, lustrous coat of candy apple, red paint flows over the Mustang's curves, sealing its future in a shell of flawless, glossy perfection. The reassembly is a masterclass in precision and care. Each restored or new component is brought back to the whole, a painstaking reunion of form and function. With the steadiness of a surgeon, the craftsman carefully lowers the gleaming, rebuilt 351 Windsor engine back into its rightful place within the pristine engine bay. A seamless sequence follows, showcasing the installation of a brand new, black vinyl interior, the polished chrome of the bumpers catching the light as they're bolted into place. Gleaming new wheels, wrapped in fresh rubber, are fitted, grounding the machine once more. It is a slow, deliberate reversal of the deconstruction, as the ghost in the garage is meticulously reclothed in its iconic glory, piece by brilliant piece, until the legend stands complete. The spirit of the Mach 1 is reawakened, waiting for its voice to be heard again. The moment of truth arrives. The craftsman slides into the driver's seat, the new leather creaking softly. His hand rests on the key, a tangible connection to the machine's reborn soul. He turns it. A dramatic, heart-stopping pause hangs in the air, thick with anticipation. Then, with a sudden explosive roar, the engine awakens from its long slumber, a thunderous declaration that the legend is back. The garage door slowly rises, flooding the space with golden sunlight. The restored Mustang Mach 1 rolls out, a vision in red and chrome, gleaming under the open sky. A final, breathtaking shot captures the car in its element, cruising effortlessly down a winding coastal road as the sun dips below the horizon. The journey from relic to icon is complete, a testament to the enduring power of passion and craftsmanship.